Hello guys,
Good evening, sir.
very good evening. So yesterday we have started sequence and series, and I have sent few of the questions for your practice. Any problems? Already have sent to you guys. Any doubt regarding to yesterday's homework?
No, sir.
Very good. Simple question. Just he's asking the missing terms, or he's asking just the first five terms. Next problem. Let us see question number 3.1, and the questions are different. Is asking find first three terms of the following. First three terms of the following. Question number 1. A1 will be given to you. AN is also given to you. 3AN minus 1 plus 2. What is asking? First three terms. Already we have A1. A1 means is it the first term or not? Is asking just A2 and A3 by putting n is equal to 2. When I substitute n is equal to 2, what happened to this? A2 is equal to 3 times of A2 minus 1 suffix value plus 2. This is equal to 3 into, is it A1 plus 2 is equal to 3 into, what is A1 value?
Sir,
3
3, sir.
plus 2. That is equal to 9 plus 2. This is equal to 11. Next, I can put n is equal to 3 in that equation. When I'm substituting n is equal to 3, I'll get A3 value 3 times of A2 plus 2. A2 value already I got here. We are substituting n is
5.
equal to 2, n is equal to 2, and n is equal to 3. This is equal to 3 into A2 value already I got here. It is 11 plus 2. This is equal to 33 plus 2. Your answer is 35. First three terms. Already first term is what? What is the first term? That is 3. Already we have. We are finding just A2 and A3. The first three terms are what we can write. Therefore, the first three terms are first three terms are 3 already he has given 11, 35. This is regarding to the first question. Problem number 2. A1 value will be given as minus 1. AN value will be given as AN minus 1 divided by n. As I said, what is the value of n? What is the value of n here? I mean, what I can take it as n belongs to the natural number system or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is one of the most important point. That means I can put n is equal to 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4, 5. Already we have A1. You can find out just A2 and A3.
Sir, I didn't understand the second one. Say, n is equals to 3.
Sir, A2 and A3 are also minus 1 only, sir.
Put n is equal to 2. and then you can decide.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't understand the second one, sir. N is equals to 3. How did we get 3 in the brackets 11, sir?
I'll write once again. See here. In equation number 1, and then you can see. See equation number 1. Put n is equal to 3. A2 value is already we have calculated in above. A2 is equal to 11. Already we have calculated here. You can put n is equal to 3 in equation 1. You will get 3 minus 1 means.
Sir, can I say
Yes.
the answer?
Yeah, already you told that you got the answer as minus 1.
Not -1, sir.
You got different
Sir,
answer now.
A2 is -1/2 and A3 is -3/2.
Mhm. Okay, we'll check with others also whether we got the same answer or not. I can put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to A2 minus 1 divided by 2. 2 minus 1 means it is A1 divided by 2. A1 value already we have, this is -1/2, which implies that A2 value is -1 divided by 2. Next, put n is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So when we put in equation number 1, A3 is equal to A3 minus 1 divided by 3. This is equal to A2 divided by 3. A2 value is how much? -1 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to -1 divided by 6. This is A3. And if you want, you can find out A4 also. -1 by 24 you will get. Is it clear? It is not -3/2. You are getting just -1/2 divided by 3 means -1/2 into 1/3. That is -1/6 is the required answer. The calculation part important, guys. Be careful. And remember one thing. If you people are taking board examinations and this syllabus is not included in 11th and 12th standard sequence and series, but in all competitive examinations, one question will appear, one question will comes from this chapter. But this concept is included in your CBSE syllabus. Class 11th, it is there. But in 11th, I mean intermediate, what we can call in AP board or TS board examinations, this syllabus is not included. But definitely in a very competitive exam, one question will comes from this chapter. So listen carefully. This concept is entirely different. So do you understand what is meant by the sequence and series, and how to find out the terms of the sequence, one particular term of the sequence, what is meant by the first term, second term, third term, and so on. Can I go for arithmetic progression? Next concept, please. If you are having any doubts in this concept. Can I go for arithmetic progression?
It's the same chapter or different chapter?
Arithmetic progression. It is a part of your sequence and series
Okay, sir.
progression. Our actual concept is a progression, not a sequence and series. This progression concept, you can take it or deduce from the sequence and series. Okay, so just listen carefully. The definition of this arithmetic progression is the sequence A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN. You know that what is meant by A1? What is meant by A1? First term of the sequence or not? A2, second term of the sequence. A3, third term of the sequence, and so on, AN, is said to be in arithmetic progression. Is said to be in arithmetic progression. Is said to be in arithmetic progression. That is, we can take it as A dot P, AP, if AN plus 1 is equal to AN plus D. N belongs to capital N. You didn't understand what I have written here. Not necessary. This is not necessary. I can define as like this. Let us consider A1. Next, A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. Or we can also take it as A1 plus 2 times of D. A4 is equal to A3 plus D is equal to A1 plus 3 times of D. A5 is equal to, just listen carefully guys, A4 plus D or A1 plus 4 times of D, and so on. AN is equal to what I can write? A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Where A1 is equal to first term of the sequence. First term of the sequence. D is equal to common difference. Common difference. And N is equal to number of terms. Number of terms. Sir, still I'm not understanding. No problem. Let us go for the third point. Point number 3. This is the definition I have written. This point I have written. This is the definition. And this is the second point, the notation. And the third point, the sequence of numbers. The sequence of numbers. The sequence of numbers are said to be in AP if the difference between any two consecutive numbers, between any two consecutive numbers must be same. Must be same. That is what he has written. D is a common difference. Sir, how to find out a D value? Let us see here. D is equal to, you can take the second term minus first term. D is equal to the third term minus the second term. D is equal to the fourth term minus the third term. D is equal to the 10th term minus the 9th term. Hope you can understand my point. Now I can take it as an example so that I can understand what is meant by this arithmetic progression, what is meant by the sequence, what is meant by the series. I can take one example. Let us see here. 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus and so on. Clearly, which is in AP. Sir, how we can say that this is an AP from this?
It's a D
The
equals to
first
4.
term. Very good. 8 is the second term. 12 is the third term. 16 is the fourth term. And so on. We have n number of terms. You don't bother about it. See that the difference must be same. The difference is common. If I'm taking the difference of these two, 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. See that the difference of these two, 12 minus 8, this is equal to 4. See that the difference of any two consecutive numbers, 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. If the difference is fixed, clearly they are in AP. Sir, can we take only A2 minus A1? Shall I take A1 minus A2? No, we cannot take like this. You can take always the difference for finding the common difference. What is the formula? A2 minus A1, second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third. Like that you can take, right? And after that, I can take one more example. Let us see, guys.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Yeah, 1 second. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus and so on. Is it in AP?
Yes, sir.
It is also in AP. Sir, how we can say that this is in AP? Let us see here. This is A1, first term. This is A2, the second term. This is A3, the third term. This is A4, the fourth term. If I am finding the difference of these two, what is the common difference formula?
Minus 5.
A2 minus A1, correct? A2 minus A1. A2 value is how much? Minus 10 minus 5. This is equal to minus 10 plus 5. Minus 10 plus 5 value is minus 5. Similarly, I am finding the difference of these two. What is that? A3 minus A2. A3 value is minus 15 minus A2 value is minus 10. This is equal to minus 15 plus 10 is equal to how much? It is minus 5. So clearly I can say that this is in AP. Sir, what is meant by the sequence? So sequence means the difference is not common. What I'm telling, the sequence is what? The difference is not common. And the series is what? The difference is not common. Hope you can understand my point. Yesterday, what I have discussed regarding to this sequence and series, the sum of the sequences is nothing but the series. Okay, the sum of the, the sum of the sequences is nothing but the series. Let us see here. Here the difference is not fixed. The difference is not common. As we people are taking the examples 2, 10, 22, 56 and so on. If you are taking their difference, they are not fixed. Okay. So that is the difference between the sequence and the series. Now we are in arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression can be defined by making use of the common difference formula. By making use of the common difference formula, that is the D value, guys. So please be careful while we are discussing with the arithmetic progression, right? Let's have a understand this concept. That is example 1 and 2. Hope you can understand examples 1 and 2. Clear? How to find out D value? A2 minus A1. This is the formula. Second element minus first element. Similarly, here what we can take, how we can find out the difference? A2 minus A1, and here A3 minus A2, and here A4 minus A3. If you are observing, all these values must be fixed, same. The difference is common. Sir, but you have written something here. That is A1 first term, A2, A1 plus D, A3, A1 plus 2D, A4, A1 plus 3D, A5, A1 plus 4D, or one fixed number should be added to the preceding value. So to get the sequence of numbers which are in AP, one constant value must be added to the preceding value. Now I can define the AP in another form. The given sequence of numbers are said to be in AP if a fixed constant must be added to the previous value. Hope it is clear, guys. And these are all the notations, representations. Already you know that what is meant by A1 first term of the sequence, A2, A3, A4. The sequence may be either in increasing order or decreasing order. If it is in decreasing order, that is -5, -10, -9, and so on, then your common difference must be negative, as I have given the second example. Hope you can understand that you people are perfect in the definition of the arithmetic progression. Sir, what is the use of this arithmetic progression? As I said, teacher wants to add the numbers from 1 to 100. We can make use of this formula. And here, 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 and so on. Is asking 20th term. You can find out 20th term. First term is given, second term, third term, fourth terms are given. What is asking? What is the 20th term of this sequence? You're able to find this by using this formula. And this formula we can call it as a general term. General term of an AP. Or we can also call it as nth term. Nth term of an AP.
Sir,
Right.
in the place of n, we should write 20.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. In place of n, you can put n is equal to 20. A1 means first term. Already we have. Suppose if you are observing, first term is what? Is it 4 or not? What is a D? Common difference. Common difference, how much I am getting here? 4. You can put those values here. You will get 20th term. Instead of writing 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus and so on, you can apply, if you are applying the arithmetic progression concept, you will get the missing term. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding to the definition as well as the general term formula? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts by anybody else? Can I go for the problems related to this concept? Just nth term. He will give the sequence of numbers. He'll ask one particular term. Just find out 20th term, 50th term, 100th term, like that. Let's see the first problem I'm going to discuss here. Given the following sequence of numbers,
Sir, are you writing anything?
please. Just 1 second. Copy the question. The first problem he has given. Given the following sequence of numbers, just check whether they are in AP or not. If they are in AP, find the general term. If they are in AP, just find the general term. Given the following sequence of numbers, and determine whether they are in arithmetic progression or not. So how we can check they are in arithmetic progression? The difference must be common. The value should be same. Yeah. So for which, guys, you can identify the first term. What is the first term? 5.
Sir, 5.
What is the second term? 2. What is the third term? That is -2. What is the fourth term? That is -6. Let us take the common difference. A2 minus A1 is equal to 2 minus 5 is equal to how much? It is -3. Next, the difference between next to two consecutive values. A3 minus A2. A3 value is -2 and A2 value is -2. That is equal to -4. So this value is -3. This value is -4. Difference is not the same. Difference is not same.
Sir, if the difference is same, then only they are in arithmetic progression.
AP,
sir.
arithmetic progression, yes. As I have given the definition, what I have given the definition? What I have given the definition? If a fixed constant must be added to the previous value. A fixed constant must be added to the previous value. Or, the third point, if you are observing, a sequence of numbers are said to be in AP if the difference between any two consecutive numbers must be same. Clear? So by using that definition, if I'm observing that the difference is not same, so the given sequence of numbers not in AP. Sequence of numbers not in AP, arithmetic progression. Hope it is clear. Yes? Can I go for the next question? Second one. And so on. They are in AP or not? Just you have to check it. He has given just 3 numbers. Let us check they are in AP or not.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, they are in
They are
AP,
in
sir.
AP. They are in AP. Let us identify the difference. 194 minus 187.
7.
How much?
7.
7. 194 minus 201. That means 201 minus 194.
7.
So they are in AP. Clearly. Sarandeep, any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
maximum how many terms we need to?
Minimum 3. Minimum 3.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We require minimum 3. For identifying the difference is common, we require minimum 3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. I'll give few of the examples. Let's try to work on it, guys. Few of the problems I'll try to discuss now, and the rest of the problems will be homework for you people. Let's have the discussion of the next questions. State whether the following sequence of numbers, they are in AP or not. The following sequence of numbers, they are in AP or not. I'll go for the first 1 or 2 examples that I'm going to discuss, guys. Just listen carefully. I'll discuss 1 or 2 examples, and the rest of the problems you should work on it. If anything feel to be difficult, I'll try to discuss tomorrow. Question number 1. Problem number 1. What is the first sequence of numbers 1 cube that is equal to 1? This will be considered as A1. A2 is equal to 2 cube that is equal to 8. A3 is equal to 3 cube is equal to how much? 27. Let us take the difference of these two. A2 minus A1 that is equal to 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Next, I am finding the consecutive. Next values will be A3 minus A2 that is equal to 27 minus 8 is equal to 19. So D value is not same. If you are observing, this is equal to D and this is equal to D. So these two values are not same. Am I correct? The difference is not common. The difference is not same. So they are not in AP. Not in AP. Is it clear? But anybody else? Any doubt regarding to this question, guys? Anybody? Okay, very good. Good response. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Ritvik, 7th one, yes, sir. 10th one, yes, sir. 8th one is also yes, sir. What about the second one? Okay. Second one. Second one. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yes. Sarandeep, I think you have completed all the questions. Hema is also very good. Yeah. Okay, Shashanka. Ritvik, what about the second one? I'm asking to Ritvik. Ritvik can give the answer. Second question.
Sir, second one is not in arithmetic progression, sir.
Second one is no. So can I write no?
Yes.
Right. Sarandeep, what about the third one?
The third one is yes, sir.
Third one is yes, sir. It is in arithmetic progression. Can you tell me the difference, common difference
Two,
here?
sir.
Common difference is 2.
2.
Very good. Rohan, what about the question number 4?
Sir, which
Rohan.
one, sir?
4.
Sir, it's in arithmetic progression.
So I can write yes. What is the common difference? What is the common difference?
Sir, 3, sir. 3, sir.
Common difference is 3. Haima, what about the 5th question? Haima.
Sir, it's no, sir.
It's no. What is the common? Yeah. So I cannot decide its common difference because the difference is not fixed. Very good. It's no. Navneet, 6th question. Navneet, 6th question.
Sir,
6th question number 6. Okay.
so yes, sir.
Is it yes? Navneet?
No, sir.
No. Very good. Vigneet, question number 7. Vigneet. Yeah. Yes, very good. Yeah, Vikram, Harshavardhan, Ritvik, Pujita. 7th one, yes. Very good, guys. So 7th one is
Sir,
yes.
can
Sir.
I read?
8th one,
Sir, can I?
yes.
Sir, 8th one is yes, sir. The difference is 1.
8th one is yes. Sir. The difference is how much?
1, sir.
No, it is not 1.
So can I tell?
What?
Minus
Sir, it
1,
is
Yes.
-1, sir.
Ah,
Minus.
that is important. Always let us take minus A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. What about the last one?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, very good.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Just 1 second. Kushal, Manogna, last one. Yeah, Kushal, last one. Yeah, so what about your answer? Last question, is it yes or no? Yes, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, guys. So it is in AP clearly, the last question, because the difference is fixed. It is in AP and the common difference is -3. Very good. I mean, all the questions we have completed here only. Very good response, guys. So can I go for the next point?
Sir, I
Yeah,
have a
so
doubt.
yes,
sir.
you can.
Sir, when we are finding the difference, we have to go from the right to left.
Yeah, so I have given the formula: second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus, highest value, highest number minus the lowest number. That means whether they are in increasing or decreasing. We can make use of the formula second term minus first term. You can identify the terms first, as I have explained in the first example. Right. What is the general term formula I have given to you? Harshavardhan? Harsha? What is the general term formula I have given to you? And it is denoted by AN. Navneet?
So
Navneet?
AN. So AN,
A1 plus
A1 plus N minus
1
1 D. Very good. Very good. Very good. A1 plus N minus 1 into D. This is the first and foremost thing that you have to remember. In arithmetic progression, what is the general term? Okay, so let us see here how the questions are asking from this concept, right? The questions are like this. The questions are like this. He will give the first term and common difference. You can find out the next 5 terms or first 5 terms. First 5 terms of the following sequence of numbers, but the sequence is not given to you. What he has given, guys, A first term is given to you. I'll go for the first problem and the rest of the problems you can work on it. First term A1 is given to you, that is 11. Common difference is also given to you, 1.5. Now what he's asking, A2 is equal to, what is the formula? Is it A1 plus D or not? The previous value plus D is equal to A1 value 11 plus 1.5 is equal to 12.5. A2 value. Similarly, if I'm finding A3, is equal to A2 plus D. One fixed constant must be added to the preceding values. That is the previous values. This is equal to, what is A2 value, guys? 12.5 plus a D. What is meant by D? 1.5. That A3 value, that is 13, and it should be
So
14.
we can also do 2D, right?
Yeah, even you can write 2D also by fixed with I'll write that formula also. So here you can write A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A3 is equal to A1 plus 2D. Both the formulas I have written in an introduction. Or if you want, you can make use of this formula also. Next, A4 is equal to the fourth term, A3 plus D. What is A3 value? 14 plus what? 0.5 is equal to 15.5. This is A4 value. Sir, I don't want to use this preceding value added with constant. I can make use of another formula. What is that? A4 is equal to A1 plus 3 times of D, the formula which I have given to you. You will get the same answer. Next, I am finding the fifth term, that is equal to A4 plus D. A4 value 15.5 plus D value is how much? 1.5 is equal to 15.5 means 16, 17. A5 value is 17. Sir, what you said, the sequence of numbers, how much I am getting? The sequence is first element 11, 12.5, 14, 15.5, 17, and so on. If you are observing, the difference is same or not? The difference is same. 1.5, 1.5, here 1.5. So it is in AP. Not necessary to check. Already he has given D value. Like this, you can find out the first 5 terms of the following AP, whose common difference and first term is given to you. Instead of A, you can take A1 for our understanding purpose, because I have fixed with A1 is the first term and A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, and so on. Can you work for the remaining problems, guys?
Yes, sir.
Can you work for the remaining problems? So that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow and by solving the different questions. That's it for today, guys. Okay. Good night, guys.
Thank
Good night,
you.
all
Bye.
of you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Good
sir.
night.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.